Hey everyone, it's Kim here with Creative Scrapbook Magazine, and I've got a really quick card share for you using some fun products. We're going to use a little bit of Distress ink, we're going to use adhesives from Tombow, and we're going to use a stamp set from Elizabeth Craft Design, as well as their shimmer sheets. And if you haven't used these or seen them, they're really fun to work with. So I have everything all pre-cut and ready to go. I've designed this happy cutout in my electronic die cutting machine, and we're using that along with a base for the card and a piece of shimmer sheet cut to size. And if you can see that, it's really quite impressive, the shine you get from it. But the trick that I've found is you don't want to put your adhesive on the shiny surface, you want to put it on the paper surface. So I'm going to put that in and do a quick little L. And then we're going to work on decorating up this happy before we adhere it to the base. So we're going to take one of my new, very inexpensive and favorite inking supplies, and it's Delicate Painter's Tape. I find this even a little easier to work with than washi tape because it's a lower tack. So you can put it where you want, do what you need to do, and easily remove it. We're using the flower set from Elizabeth Craft Dies, and I've already got the stamp that I want to use on my acrylic block. And we are just going to randomly stamp So another little trick I like to do to add dimension without too much height, but it also gives some support, is I use little pieces of chipboard that have come from paper pads or cereal boxes. I often work on these. You'll see that it's a little messed up. And I'll stick it to the back. Then we're going to use the Tombow Extreme adhesive again because we're going to put it on top of the shimmer sheet. So again, put it on the paper, not the shimmer sheet. And there is a quick card with lots of fun sheen. You could use this for so many occasions, and what I like to do is, depending on what I'm doing, maybe it's for a birthday, I would get like a black ink and do a birthday down here. So you have the big cutout font and then a stamped birthday. So you would have happy birthday, happy retirement, you know where I'm going with that. So I'm going to leave this blank because I don't know how I'm going to use it yet, but that's a really quick, simple, fun card using supplies you probably already have on hand. Thanks for watching. Bye.